Welcome to Rasmussen College's new faculty organization. This probably looks very similar to the course you are teaching. This area serves as a resourceful area to engage with other instructors, check out resources to aid instruction of your course, and get common questions answered. This menu is located on the left-hand side of your screen and will give you access to all of the links. The first link is a link to the discussions area. In this area, you will only find one discussion forum present, the Instructor Lounge. This is a great place for you to make an introduction, share best practices or ideas, ask questions, or post anything else that you would feel relevant to discuss with other faculty members at the college. The next link down is the announcements area. You can then click on the link to the right of the folder to get access to many examples of announcements from other instructors at Rasmussen College. Scroll down on this page to see a variety of different types of announcements, including a welcome announcement, rubric postings, resource sharing, screencast sharing, and a variety of others that have been done by faculty at Rasmussen College. The next area is the live classroom best practices area. Please click on the link to the right of the folder to access this area. In the live classroom best practices area, you will find helpful links to guides, training sessions, actual live classrooms done by other instructors, common questions, and other tools to help you set up and be successful with live classroom.
The next tab is the Resources for Students tab. Here you'll find information to share with students in your class regarding our Answers database, the APA guide, Grammarly, the online library, online tutoring, and the Personal Support Center. This is a brief preview of the Answers page. Here students can type in questions and see the most popular answers. If a student were to type in a question here that hadn't been answered, it would be answered by a member of the Library and Learning Services team and then posted for other students to see. There's several answers that are pertinent to faculty as well. The APA guide is the most popular guide used among students, faculty, and staff at Rasmussen College. Here you'll find everything you need to know about APA, including videos, a sample paper, a template. So much helpful information is stored here in the APA guide to share with your students. The next tab covers our grading best practices. We have two folders here, complete with information to help with overview of grading as well as gradebook reminders. In this section, you'll find professional development sessions that discuss grading in Blackboard Learn, time-saving tips for grading, helpful ways to manage your courses, ways to add rubrics. There's a lot of information, so please be sure to check out the grading overview section. The gradebook reminder section has helpful information regarding entering your final grades in Blackboard Learn, information about overriding a 0 grade, the grade change process, and grading deadlines for 11-week and 5.5-week courses. So please make sure to check this area out for all kinds of helpful information regarding grading.
The next module in the organization is the weekly reminder. This section is organized by the weeks and major requirements. The folder topics cover from pre-course to post-course reminders. Each folder has a brief description underneath the title. Once you click on the folder, you will see the weeks of the courses. For instance, this screenshot of the Week 1 reminder folder shows there are two different reminders, one for the 11 and 5.5 week Term 1 courses, another for the 5.5 week Term 2 courses. Please make sure you click on the appropriate reminder for the course you are teaching. If you are not sure, you can check your contract or contact your dean. This is one of the reminders provided. The reminders list the tasks that you as the instructor will need to complete for that week. These can be used as checklists to make sure you're completing all the required tasks. The module under Weekly Reminders is the FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions section. These are questions that have been asked by instructors to their deans. The screenshot shows some of the questions listed. If you notice what you are looking for isn't available in the module, please contact your dean. When you click on the arrow icon next to the question that you would like the answer to, the response will be displayed. If you notice text in light blue, that means it is a hyperlink to additional resources. Some links will connect you to our intranet or our guides. In those cases, the text advises you how to log in. There are instances where screenshots are provided as reference in the second question shown here. The last module listed is Working with Students. The content in this section will change from time to time. The Working with Students module will contain information on and to resources that provide insight on working with students that are like the ones at Rasmussen College. Please read the resources, which are articles, journals, etc., at your leisure. Please document the material that you read in Salesforce as professional development. These are examples of resources suggested. Each resource has a brief description of what the resource covers underneath the title. The link or website to access the resource is provided in the description. If you have any problems accessing the content, please notify your dean.